forward the calls through the G2CALL Plus app, it is necessary to pair the R7W G2 Plus monitor with the smartphone once it has been installed. Press the monitor settings icon to access the Wi-Fi configuration section of the monitor. Activate the Wi-Fi connectivity of the monitor. The Wi-Fi icon on the monitor will light up and the signal indicator bars will change their status. Once the AP icon appears in the place of the signal indicator bars, you will be able to read the QR code placed on the top right corner of the monitor or on the backside of the monitor. To do that, start the app and press the plus symbol on the top right corner. If you are logging in for the first time, you will need to create an account. The application will ask you to make sure that the AP icon appears on the screen. Press continue and then enter the identifier and password of the Wi-Fi network to which you want the monitor to connect. Once the monitor has received the network credentials, you will need to assign a name to it. Once paired, it is possible to change the monitor's IDI match in the app by accessing the monitor settings. By performing those simple steps from your smartphone, you will be able to answer the video intercom calls and even open the door through the G2CALL Plus app.